Tesla's full self-driving not working? Let's start with initial troubleshooting steps. First, ensure you have an active full self-driving subscription in your Tesla account. Second, check that all cameras are clean and unobstructed, as dirty or blocked sensors can prevent FSD from engaging. Third, make sure your vehicle is connected to a stable internet connection for updates and proper operation. Fourth, try a hard reboot by holding the power button for 10 seconds to clear temporary glitches. Finally, verify your car is running the latest software version through the Tesla app or in-car interface. Outdated software is a primary cause of FSD malfunctions. Open your Tesla app to check for available updates. Look for the software update reminder and tap to install. Alternatively, use the in-car interface. Go to the software menu in your vehicle's settings to check for and install updates. Install any pending updates, as these often contain crucial bug fixes and improvements to the AI model weights used by FSD. These updates enhance performance and address reported issues. Tesla releases frequent over-the-air updates to enhance FSD's performance and address reported issues, so keep your system current. FSD relies on its cameras and sensors for accurate perception of the environment. The Model 3 uses 8 surround cameras, 12 ultrasonic sensors, and forward radar to create a 360-degree view. These components work together to detect lanes, pedestrians, and obstacles using AI processing. If these cameras and sensors are obstructed by dirt, debris, or damage, FSD may deactivate to ensure safety. Always check for obstructions on the cameras and ultrasonic sensors before driving. If you suspect misalignment, schedule a calibration at a Tesla service center. It's often free. Alternatively, try a DIY calibration drive by parking in a safe area and initiating the process via the Tesla menu at speeds under 50 miles per hour. Proper camera and sensor calibration ensures FSD functions safely and accurately, allowing for reliable autonomous driving. Fine-tuning your FSD settings can significantly improve performance in different driving environments. Let's explore the key settings you can adjust through the Autopilot menu. To access FSD settings, tap the Autopilot icon on your car's touchscreen display. This brings up the menu, where you can customize various features like traffic-aware cruise control, auto steer, and full self-driving options. For faster responses in traffic, try enabling aggressive mode in your FSD profile. This setting makes the system more assertive with acceleration and lane changes. However, always supervise closely, as it can lead to more dynamic driving behavior. Adjust your speed limits in the FSD settings to match local road conditions. For urban driving, disable the full speed ahead feature to avoid potentially unsafe high-speed maneuvers. The average profile provides a good balance between responsiveness and safety. By carefully adjusting these FSD settings, you can optimize the system's performance for your specific driving environment and style. Always prioritize safety and stay attentive while using FSD. FSD is not fully autonomous and requires constant driver supervision. Be prepared to take control at any moment. FSD may disengage in challenging conditions like heavy rain, snow, or complex intersections. Tesla's data shows disengagement rates are improving, with 0.23 disengagements per 1,000 miles, though rates are higher in bad weather. Understanding these limitations is crucial for safe operation. Vigilance remains essential. If software updates and settings adjustments don't resolve the full self-driving issue, a hardware fault may be the culprit. Use the Tesla service menu to run diagnostics and check for any error codes related to cameras, sensors, or the FSD computer. Access the Tesla service menu in your vehicle to run diagnostics and check for error codes. Look for errors related to cameras, sensors, or the FSD computer. If you find errors, schedule a service appointment with Tesla to diagnose and repair the hardware issue. Hardware redundancy is key for safety, so don't ignore potential problems. Tesla's full self-driving system is constantly evolving through advancements in artificial intelligence. The latest developments focus on multimodal AI, which integrates multiple types of sensor data, including vision from cameras, radar detection, and future vehicle-to-vehicle communication. This multimodal approach reduces reliance on cameras alone, making the system more reliable in various conditions. By combining different sensor inputs early in the processing pipeline, FSD can better handle edge cases like poor weather or complex urban environments. Looking ahead, Tesla is incorporating vehicle-to-vehicle communication, allowing cars to share real-time data about traffic, obstacles, and road conditions. This collaborative approach will enhance safety and efficiency, particularly in densely populated areas. New features and capabilities are delivered through over-the-air updates, keeping FSD current with the latest AI improvements. Users receive these updates automatically, ensuring the system stays ahead of emerging challenges and incorporates the most advanced safety measures. The ultimate goal is unsupervised city driving, where FSD can operate safely in complex urban environments without human intervention. By mid-2026, FSD version 14 is expected to bring this capability closer to reality, pending regulatory approval and further testing. As Tesla's full self-driving system advances, safety and ethical considerations become increasingly important. Tesla works closely with institutions like MIT to develop ethical AI training methods that help avoid biases in the system's decision-making processes. The AI ethics framework provides a structured approach to ensure the system's decisions are fair and safe, covering principles, implementation, assessment, and integration. Remember that FSD is designed as an advanced driver assistance tool to help you, but it does not replace the human driver. You must remain attentive and ready to take control at any moment. Safety should always be your top priority when using FSD. Be prepared to intervene if the system encounters situations it cannot handle safely.